Imagine a camera that doesn't merely record moments, but fundamentally redefines how creators experience photography and filmmaking. A camera designed not just to follow trends, but to challenge expectations and reset standards. That is the promise surrounding the Canon EOS R9. This isn't being whispered about as a routine update or a predictable successor, it's being talked about as a turning point. As rumors intensify and speculation grows louder, the Canon EOS R9 South African Rand is shaping up to represent Canon's bold vision for the future of APS-C mirrorless cameras, blending power, intelligence, and creativity into a single compact tool. Rather than positioning the R9 as a simple follow-up to existing models, Canon appears to be crafting something more ambitious. The EOS R9 South African Rand is rumored to mark a new chapter, one where crop sensor cameras no longer feel like compromises. Instead, they become deliberate choices for professionals and enthusiasts who demand performance without the bulk of full-frame systems. Canon seems intent on proving that size doesn't define capability, and the R9 South African Rand is their statement piece. At the core of this camera is a rumored 32.5-megapixel APS-C sensor, an evolution of the technology seen in the EOS R7 but refined to a much higher level. Paired with Canon's next-generation Digic X2 processor, this sensor is expected to deliver noticeable improvements in image clarity, tonal depth, and overall responsiveness. While megapixels alone don't tell the whole story, Canon's approach has always been about extracting meaningful detail rather than chasing numbers. The EOS R9 appears to continue that philosophy, translating resolution into realism. What truly elevates this sensor is how it interprets light. According to leaks, the EOS R9 isn't just capturing brightness and shadow, it's processing nuance, texture, and emotion. Shadows are expected to show depth rather than collapse into darkness, while highlights are said to retain subtle gradations instead of blowing out. With an expanded ISO range rumored to outperform previous APS-C models, low-light photography could feel less like a technical challenge and more like an artistic opportunity. Night cityscapes, candlelit interiors, and dimly lit events may be rendered with surprising clarity and atmosphere. This leap in image quality is also expected to translate seamlessly into video, where the EOS R9 could become one of the most disruptive APS-C cameras Canon has ever released. Perhaps the most headline-grabbing rumor is internal 8K video recording at up to 30 frames per second. In an APS-C body, this specification alone pushes the boundaries of what many thought possible in this category. The level of detail offered by 8K opens doors far beyond resolution, it enables flexibility. Filmmakers can crop, stabilize, reframe, and repurpose footage without sacrificing sharpness, fundamentally changing post-production workflows. For creators who thrive on motion, the rumored 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second adds another layer of creative freedom. Slow motion becomes smoother, richer, and more expressive. Simple movements, fabric flowing in the wind, raindrops hitting pavement, dancers mid-spin, can be transformed into cinematic moments. This isn't just about technical capability, it's about storytelling potential. Canon appears to be positioning the EOS R9 as a camera that empowers creators to experiment, refine, and elevate their visual language. What makes this especially compelling is how Canon seems determined to bring cinema-level features to a more accessible form factor. The EOS R9 is expected to remain compact and agile, making it suitable for travel, documentaries, vlogging, and run-and-gun filmmaking. It's not designed to replace dedicated cinema cameras outright, but it does aim to blur the line between hybrid mirrorless systems and professional video tools. For many creators, that balance is exactly what they've been waiting for. Autofocus is another area where the EOS R9 South African Rand is rumored to push boundaries. Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system is already considered one of the best in the industry, but the R9 is expected to take it further with advanced AI and deep learning subject recognition. This goes beyond simple face and eye detection. The camera is rumored to intelligently distinguish between animals, vehicles, people, and even specific movement patterns. It doesn't just react to motion, it anticipates it. For wildlife photographers, sport shooters, and street photographers, this level of autofocus intelligence could be transformative. Subjects moving unpredictably through complex scenes can be tracked with confidence, even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera doesn't hesitate or hunt, it commits. That kind of reliability changes how photographers shoot. Instead of worrying about misfocus, they can concentrate fully on composition and timing. Stabilization is another cornerstone of the EOS R9's rumored feature set. Canon's refined 5-axis in-body image stabilization is expected to offer performance that feels almost effortless. Handheld shooting becomes smoother, more natural, and more cinematic. Whether walking through crowded streets, filming on uneven terrain, or shooting handheld video without a gimbal, the EOS R9 is designed to compensate in real time. It doesn't just correct movement, it flows with it, maintaining a sense of organic motion rather than mechanical rigidity. Durability also plays a major role in the EOS R9's identity. Leaks suggest full weather sealing that could surpass even the rugged EOS R7. Built around a magnesium alloy chassis, the camera is rumored to be designed for demanding environments. From dusty deserts to freezing landscapes and humid tropical climates, the EOS R9 is expected to hold up without hesitation. This isn't a fragile studio camera, it's a tool meant to travel, explore, and endure. Ergonomics haven't been overlooked either. Canon is reportedly refining the grip, making it slightly deeper for improved comfort during long shooting sessions. Button placement is said to feel intuitive, reinforcing Canon's long-standing reputation for user-friendly design. The camera is expected to feel solid yet balanced in the hand, reinforcing that intangible connection between creator and tool. Canon understands that how a camera feels is just as important as what it can do. Battery performance, often a weak point in mirrorless systems, is also rumored to see meaningful improvement. The introduction of a new LPE6X battery could provide extended shooting times, even when recording demanding formats like 8K video. Combined with USB-C fast charging, the EOS R9 is expected to better support long shoots, events, and travel assignments where downtime isn't an option. Connectivity is another area where the EOS R9 appears future-focused. With rumored support for Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, file transfers are expected to be faster and more stable than ever. This enables creators to send photos and video clips directly from the field, stream content, or collaborate remotely without bottlenecks. In a world where speed matters as much as quality, this level of connectivity becomes a creative advantage. Storage support is equally practical. The inclusion of dual card slots, one SD UHS-2 and one CF Express, is rumored to address both speed and redundancy. High bitrate 8K footage demands fast media, and Canon seems well aware that professionals can't afford compromises when it comes to data security. This setup allows creators to balance cost, performance, and backup strategies with confidence. If the rumors prove accurate, the Canon EOS R9 represents more than just another camera launch. It signals a renewed commitment to APS-C mirrorless systems as serious creative tools. It bridges the gap between accessible gear and aspirational performance. It's designed for creators who don't just capture moments, but shape stories. In that sense, the EOS R9 isn't simply a product. It's Canon redefining what a compact mirrorless camera can be, and reminding the industry that innovation doesn't always come from getting bigger, but from getting smarter.